Here I am at the Palm Springs Food and Wine Festival. Had a fantastic time. I started off demoing some food, and then I hosted a bunch of fun events. Recipes, because I want people to be able to kind of improvise on their own. So, like, I'm sure, like, you're like, thank you. That was. It was first kind of discovered and grown in Italy, and then and all of these different parts. Always have a good chef night. The most important thing is have it sharpen. Okay, so we're just going to wilt this a little bit, but I don't want to too. And now here's where the magic will hopefully happen. We drizzle honey on top. And this would be a great, cut it up small, great appetizer. If you're having a little happy hour at your house.
Everybody would agree some of the best cuisine in the world comes from Mexico.
Beautiful that is. It looks like a French pastry. And what's on top? What's
on top? Okay, let's
have to have their next chapter. It's on social media, so that's what I have. I did a demo earlier, but I'm very excited to host this demonstration with one competition between Genevieve and Caleb, and we have an all-star. We have a major superstar who's kind of slumming it with us today, let's be honest. Okay, we've got Emmy Award-winning culinary chef superstar Lidia Bastianich. And for those of you who are my age or older, I'm doing the Phil Donahue today, so I'll be, just raise your hand. If maybe the Ricky Lake for the millennials. To this pan.
This is the wrong place. It's the new sound.
The anticipation is real. Now, there's the scallops. A little nervous, but it's always an honor. So,
I'm impressed. The both are really fun. Do you do a lot of competitions? I've done one other.
It was a lot of fun. See you there next year.